Hi, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we posted a vlog. We haven't really done anything, only work commitments and bits and bobs and that, you know what it's like, everyday life. We haven't been away. We won't be going away before Christmas now, but I just want to do this little vlog. Nigel bought me a bread machine because the cost of living going up now, and we do go through a lot of bread with packed lunches and everyday eating, so we invested in a bread machine, Russel Hobbs. I've given it a go. It's brilliant, lovely soft bread, bakery smell. Oh, loving it. So I'm going to show you today now what it's all about, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. So let's get cracking. We went for the Russel Hobbs bread maker. Here it is there. All the functions. Little screen to say the time. So that's the basic one, that is. It's 3 hours 20, that's what we're doing today. Inside then is a little window in the lid showing the kneading and the cooking of the bread. There's a manual with it. Gives you all the instructions, which are pretty easy to follow. There's functions on it for different size breads, as you can see by there. So small is 500 grams, medium is 750 grams, and the big one then is a kilo. You start and stop. Here then is your crust colour, so you can have it like fair, medium, dark. Here then is the timer for presetting when you want to have it come on maybe in the night and then turn off in the morning. Here then is all your functions of your programs, which you select through here. So I am going to do the basic today. So yeah, anything else there now? Yeah, inside then is the bread loaf, which pulls out, as you can see. And we've also got then this little paddle, which fits on here, like so, and that's what does all the kneading then. So I think that covers what the machine is about. Like I said, it's pretty easy. When you press like the large, this little arrow over there, you've got the large, medium and small. So if you can see, as you press them, it goes along a little arrow. And same then with the bottom for the crust. That's the crust darkness, high, low, program 1. Medium, I think it means. But there we are. Let's give it a go. Also in the manual are recipes. So this is the one I'm doing today, plain white bread. And as you come down, you can see multi-seeded, classic French loaf, whole wheat bread, granary, fruit cake, chocolate bread. You can also make jam if you want to fancy having goat jam. Where's the jam recipe? There's the strawberry jam recipe. I don't think it'll have to be strawberries, but you can give it a go. They do the gluten-free recipes as well. White sandwich loaf, which I have done, which has turned out well. Yes, so I'm hoping this will be a good investment. The price of bread's going up, and I hope this will pay in the long run, because it's a great little machine. And I've also bought a book. It cost me £3 on Amazon. So there's 1200 days of easy to follow hands-off recipes. So I'm going to give a few recipes a go in there. Gives you all the recipes, how much to use, pictures as well. Oh, cool. So there we are. Let's start our bread. Oh, tomato and onion bread. That looks cool, doesn't it? There we are. Let's go. I've measured out all the ingredients and you put them in order as they come down the recipe. So here's the recipe by here. So it says water first, then olive oil, salt, caster sugar, dried milk powder, strong white bread flour and the yeast. Gives you the 3 amounts of 500 grams, 750 and 1 kilo. All the measurements are there. I've gone and weighed all the measurements out, they're all accurate to the recipe. By here then is the pre-mix ones. I've made that one is cheddar and sun-dried tomato bread mix. Oh, it was lovely, really, really nice. And a nice smell of bacon through the house as well. You can also get it in the premium white bread mix. You can get different flavours as well on Amazon. But I had these from Morrison's at £1.9 each. So it is a bit more expensive to do it that way. Cheaper to do it this way, I would say, in the long run. So anyway, here we go. Let's start. So we got the water first. Then the oil. I've mixed the sugar and the salt in one, so that's the sugar and salt gone in. Then we got the flour. So we just put that in there like that. There we go. This is the milk powder that goes in. And then the yeast last. And that's it. Let's take this now over to a bread bread maker. And just sit him in like that. Close the lid. All in there, and I'm just a basic loaf that I'm doing. So it's number 1. If you like go on the menu here, you press and it'll come up all the different programs. So I want 1. It goes up to 12 programs. Right, I'm just doing a small loaf, so I've got my size here then. And there's the little arrow there, I don't know if you can see it. And it's on the large at the moment, so I just want to click it onto the small. So it's giving 3 hours 10 minutes on there now, and I want a medium colour, so I've got the crust here, and I've got the same thing, little arrow, and then just press, and that goes on high, and that's the low, and I want the middle one. So that's it, guys. And then you just, and then it starts to go. Don't know if you can see through the window there. It's doing its job. Let me open it up so you can have a little squint. It just mixes it all in. So it does that for a while. And we have it on 3 hours 10 now, so I'll come back in about 10 minutes and show you what's happening. Right, it's been going now for just over 10 minutes. Yeah, so it keeps doing that for a while now. Resting, then kneading, resting, then kneading. There is a way to take the paddle out because it stays in, so it leaves all the bottom of the bread. So I'm going to investigate now to see how it's done. I think you've got to keep an eye on the timer, the program. I think you've got to keep an eye on the program to see when it actually stops the kneading, so you can take it out. So maybe that's for another vlog. There we go. So that has stopped kneading now. I don't know if it's going to do any more, but that's how it looks at the moment. And that is at 2 hours and 38 minutes. So it's been going a while. There we are. I'll show you in a bit. So the bread is done, and here we go. So we're going to lift that out of there now and then pop it out of the tin. Let me just grab a tea towel because that's going to be hot. There we go. So we just grab it. Oops, hang on. Just grab it there like that. Pull it like that. How lovely is that? Look. Don't up there off me. Nigel the camera now while I pop it out. There we go, out it comes. And there's the end result. So what do you think about that then, guys? Right, as I was saying earlier about, what's it called, the paddle is stuck in there, so I've got to take that out. But I have got to find out how to take it out before it cooks. So that's it. I'll leave it cool down a bit now and then we'll cut it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm going to tuck into that bread and butter now. It's lovely. I did mess up on the filming. It went into warp speed, so I'd already cut it and realised it was in warp speed, so I will put the warp speed in. Well, you probably have seen it now, but that's the reason why for the warp speed at towards the end. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. And until the next one, bye.